W Gada, the Karachi tram, was launched by the Minister for the Commonwealth Games, Justin Madden. And it ran for the 2 weeks of the Commonwealth Games around the City Circle line. And it was a huge hit. Part of the tram conducting on the Karachi W Gada tram was to mimic what the conductors do in Karachi. And so we'd jump out of the tram as people were coming in and we'd call the stops, W Gada, W Gada, W Gada, W Gada. Once everyone was inside, we'd do what the Karachi conductors do, bang the side of the bus and then head back inside the tram. W Gada is now housed as a permanent exhibit at the Melbourne Tram Museum.